Okay, hello everyone. It's 8:30 in the evening on the 4th of January, Wednesday. It's 8:30 Eastern Time. So I wanted to catch up with our currency trades that we put on today, our initial position trades. Here's where we are on the British pound Australian dollar pair. The green line represents our initial buy. That's our where we're long from. It looks like we bought back here earlier, way earlier today. So we suffered through a little bit of loss intraday, but it looks like the market has a little buying pressure here to get started. So hopefully we've got off to a good start. What we have to watch out for here is a false breakout. As you remember, we were looking at our longer term charts and thinking that we're going to find a base here, and then based on cycles, it looks like we're due for the bottom. So so far we're off to a good start. We're looking for a green bar, obviously, to post in here, and this white line here, this is just a horizontal line. That's our first area where we might look at taking some profits or looking for a retracement or whatever. But hopefully we're going to get some of this big sharp rally that we see on this chart. That's what we're hoping for. That's why we want this to be a position trade. The other one that we still have on our other position trade is the Euro New Zealand dollar. And the green right here represents where we're long from. So we've been, up above it. Nothing really much going on with that right now. So we're keeping an eye on that one as well. We're probably going to trade in the other currencies tonight. So I'll pause and we'll come back to it when there's something to report. Okay, hello folks, I'm back. It's Wednesday, well it's Thursday morning, still I consider it Wednesday night. It's 10 minutes till 3 Eastern Time. We're doing a little night session trading for the Asian markets, and what we've got here is the British pound Japanese yen currency pair. We just sold 700 of that up here on the red line, which was, what price was that? Let's see. Average price was, well, we're looking at 86 half. Okay, we've got our buy order in right down here to cover those at 70. So we'll see what we get on this. It's always funny to trade the yen. Look at the priced in yen. Okay, I'm back. Hello everyone again. It's 3:44 a.m. on the 5th of January. And here's our British pound Japanese yen trade here. I thought I was just going to get filled. We were bid at 76, offered at 77, trying to buy our 700 back at 75. And of course, as soon as I resume, market goes back up a little bit. Well, at any rate, that's what we've got going on. That one. Follow up with our position trades. This is the British pound Australian dollar trade. We're long 300 from this level where the green line is, and that is average. Our price is we bought that at 5095, and we're currently trading at 51.57. So we're up a little bit on that one. We placed that trade yesterday morning. Our position trade. We also have this one as our position trade, which is the Euro New Zealand dollar pair. The green line represents our initial buy order. We're long 300 of that, and we bought those at 23.7, and we're now trading at 61.60. 60. So we're up a little bit on that one as well. Looking at the other currencies here, not much action so far tonight. Let's go back and see if we're getting close here. Okay, we're bid 76, offered 78. Let's see if we get filled on the buy order. What's going to happen is the blue line will disappear, indicating that we've purchased, and you might hear the little ding. And if so, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that order. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we covered on that one. Made 84,000 yen. Okay, let's close that out. Looks like we got some selling pressure in here. get set up for a trade, perhaps. Let us, I don't know. Looks like that's not going to get filled. Let's go check our portfolio. Okay. That's what we got going on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause until I find some more trades. So I'll be back with you soon. Well, I've got good news and I've got bad news. It's 4:30 in the morning. That's neither good nor bad, but the good news is we might be getting filled on our second trade in the British pound Japanese yen pair. We bought 500 a little while ago at 72.5. Got a sell order in at 68. We're bid 65.67, then as high as 67. So we'll hang with this for a minute. And the bad news is that we got stopped out of our New Zealand dollar trade right here, naturally. I think we just got filled on our yen. Yep, sure did. Just got filled on our yen at 68. So we're up 151,000 yen on two trades. It's about $1,500. Okay, so our euro New Zealand dollar trade, we got stopped out right here, basically at our entry price. So what we're doing is we're gonna look to reposition ourselves in this pair. Hope it doesn't take off without me, but that's the nature of the beast sometimes. Here's our other position trade, still going well. Our British pound Australian dollar, and it looks like we got filled. I didn't even notice. We got filled on a sell order here in the British pound just a minute ago. We sold 500 of those at 92. We're now trading 85.86, so I better put my buy order in there. Buy them at 79. Okay, there we go. Took that out of there. That's a profit of $657. Well, okay, and here's our portfolio at the moment. Okay, so interesting night so far. I hate it that we got stopped out of our New Zealand dollar. Really didn't want that to happen. Yeah. We were originally bought at 23, 64.23, right about where this dashed line is. Really, oh well, at any rate, this one here keeps giving us a lot of pullbacks every time it tries to push up here. See a lot of wicks on these to the upside. That's because there's been a lot of selling pressure. And basically, you know, over the last couple of days, it's looked like this. Last month, straight down. But we do look like we're forming this bottom here that I was looking for. So, at any rate, it's a position trade. We don't need to keep checking it all the time. Probably be signing off for the night. It's 4:30. We got to get ready to trade the day session. So, good night, everyone, and good trading.